Hey, what's good everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to call without feeling super pushy every day. Okay, so you're not pushy, you're just unclear with the homeowners. This is the first thing you want to know and you need to know. Okay, because some agents I speak to every day, they feel like they're super pushy because they don't know what to say and they don't know actually why they're saying what they say specifically. Okay, so when your intentions is to help the homeowner, you never feel super salesy. Okay, so a quick visual here as well. It's pushy equal pressure and helpful equal clarity. You've gotta understand this thing at the beginning. Okay, so second thing I want to say, it's the real reason agents feel pushy on the calls. It's they fear sounding like a salesperson, which I'm totally understand something like this, but they think homeowners actually don't want to be called, which is not really true. Okay, because homeowners want to be called, but from their local expert, from someone that advised them, giving them value, something like this, not someone to sell them something. Okay, and they're focused as well on getting something instead of giving clarity, which is you call them to get the listing appointment, which is fine, but you're thinking about something like this at the same all of the time, and that doesn't help you at the cold call. Okay, so a sub point right here as well is you feel pushy when you feel unsure. You have to be unsure, you have to be sure. Okay, and the third thing is the mindset shift that removes actually 90% of pressure. It's stop thinking like I'm interrupting them, but start thinking as I'm helping them to make sure or to make a better decision today. I'm giving them value right now. Okay, you're giving a homeowner information about their property and you're not selling a random product. Okay, so you're calling them to actually help them. If you're calling someone to help them, you're not gonna feel like pushy or interrupting them or any bad thing. Okay, you're gonna feel good, you're gonna have super good energy at the same time, at meantime. Okay, so you're offering clarity and not pressure as well. When you remove that need for the yes, your tone actually becomes more calm and confident, and you're gonna be sure about what you say and how you say it specifically, which is the most important thing. How you say things. The fourth thing, it's basically the four signals that of a pushy agent and how to actually avoid every one of them. So first one, it's basically talking too fast. You just gotta slow down, okay? Because when you talk with slowly and when you slow down when you're talking, you create the trust. Okay, and overselling before you understand their situation. So ask before you pitch them. Ask them to let them talk, to know more about their situation, to know more about their limiting belief, which is gonna help you super much in the future. And after that, you can pitch, but not at the first call or at the first meeting. Okay, that's basically it. And third thing of the signals, it's you're not giving the homeowner an easy out. What I mean by that, if now is a good time, I can keep it super quick. You can, if you say something like this, it's super good with them because you make it quick and you let them know that it's gonna be quick. It's super awesome. Okay, so forcing the appointment instead of earning it. So replace pressure with the open-ended clarity. That's the name of the game. That's everything. Okay, so fifth thing right here, it's the permission-based opening line, which is the best anti-pushy tool. Okay, so this transform your tone from salesy to the respectful tone. Okay, so you can say something like, "Hey, this is Abe. I can keep it super quick. Did I catch you at a bad time?" Somewhere along the line, and the tonality, it matters the most. Okay, how you say it's more important than what you specifically say. Okay, and why it actually works, it's basically it gives them the control and lower the resistance and make you instantly sound relaxed. Okay, and it makes you sound like clear, confident, and super respectful. So this is the most important thing in it. So right here, the three-step structure that actually will make you never sound super pushy again, which is number one, it's get the permission. And what I mean by that, ask if now is a bad time or not. If yes, schedule a better time. If no, continue confidently. Okay, because you ask them if it's a good time or if it's a bad time and they gave you the permission, cool. You continue confidently instead of you do your thing or say your thing without asking for the permission. Okay, So second thing is you give them the value before asking anything. Okay, share a quick insight about their home, neighborhood, or even in their situation specifically. That keeps all the call helpful and not salesy. Okay, so third thing, it's let them actually choose the next step. Instead of let's book an appointment, you just say something like, okay, I can show you exactly what's happening in your area if you want. So want me to send it over or walking you through it? Somewhere along the line. So giving options removes the pressure absolutely. Okay, so that's the name of the game. So right now we discussed the shift that makes you sound 10x more confident. So smile, slow down, and pause more and use the calm certainty instead of hype. So a sell point right here as well is tone is 100%, not even 80 of sounding non-pushy. Okay.